Brent. So you start with some eggs and then you have to whisk it, right? Wait. You do it on the game first and then we'll do it for real. Mix it up. We're going to do the same thing. Okay, once you mix it, you put a little bit of oil in the pan. Just a little bit, okay? And then you put the eggs in there from the bowl. And then you take a spatula and you move it around. Are you ready to do it? Okay, Brenty.
It's all done.
It's all done? Okay, our turn. All right, good. Now put it back in here. Good job. Cracking the egg. All right. Go ahead and whisk the egg up. All right, a little harder. Put a little bit of oil. That's enough. You're gonna gently take the bowl and pour it into the pan. Be careful, it's hot. The pan is hot. All of it, all of it. Good. Now put the bowl back down. Good job, Brent. Alright, now it's warm, so start to mix the egg around.